Hey guys, it's Mike from Image Wash Products, and I'm here to talk to you about wax replacement. We're essentially here to just do a side-by-side comparison on the hood of this beautiful Peterbilt. Essentially, I've just decontaminated the entire surface, which is critical anytime you put any type of wax, ceramic, wax replacement, whatever. You don't want to lock in all that dirt and crap in there. Got a nice, clean, decontaminated surface, and when you see it rinsing, you're gonna see pretty much like this, where you're not gonna see little water beads everywhere because there's no protection. It's just flat against the surface. So it's not what you want. Now let's see if I can actually spray this on half and half correctly. That would be nice. So basically with wax replacement, the whole idea, you foam it onto the surface, all your nooks and crannies. It's kind of like hot sauce. You put it everywhere, okay? And let it sit for 30 to 60 seconds. Don't let it dry on the surface. I'm gonna rinse it off, and you're gonna see it start working. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start spraying. There was a little bit of overspray here around the tape, so we're gonna focus over here in the comparison, all right? You don't really need the tape anymore to see where the wax replacement is or isn't, do ya? It's pretty obvious. Water is sheeting, water is beading. Wax protection, absolutely key to maintaining your ride. I'll do one more demonstration here for you. That's wax replacement in a nutshell. Now, the only other important part that I like to mention when you have wax replacement, okay? If you've got crappy well water like we do here in this shop, if I let this dry just like this, I'm gonna see water spots where all of those little beads are, because there's minerals in my water that are not going to evaporate from the sun. So they're gonna be left as little water spots, okay? You don't see that here because there's no spots. It just dries and it leaves a nice film on there, which is what you might not notice unless you're getting real close. So basically, now that I've got it wax replacement and my vehicle is completely done, I need to dry it. I could do that with a drying towel, I could do it with the sham, I could do it with the microfiber, I could do whatever. My absolute, or even like a squeegee. My favorite way is the leaf blower, because when you see me leaf blow, watch side by side how much easier it is to just leaf blow this versus this. It's great. I would just like to point out, this side is already dry. So that's wax replacement. Really appreciate taking the time to watch this. Hope you enjoy your product. Like, subscribe, hit that bell if you want some future notifications. We always love giving you some good content. Have a great day.